Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. All right, so I am back in the office. Was traveling a little bit late last week, so let's get caught up here. So, the quick and the dirty. We consolidated last week, early part of the week. Spent Thursday and Friday testing the 50-day exponential moving average, the 100-day exponential moving average. It held up, and then basically Friday they took them down, made the lows of the week, caught them all going over the tips of their skis, jammed them all day, up and through, took out the highs of the week, took out this mid-October resistance consolidation area, which is important. And now, I mean, really, with the bulls, you got to go do upper band. That's what's left. And if you're the bears, you got to figure this out down here. You need to take out those Friday lows down at 54 rapidly. Or you're just going to get walked up. Hourly chart, you can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, until we really got late in the day, they jammed it down, and then, you see what they did here. They came right into the 50. They said, forget it. They ran it up higher. The new weekly pivot's at 44.0475. You got VWAP and the hourly mid both sitting at 44.18.5, call it. It's about 5 after 9 Eastern as I'm doing this. As we head into the day, I'm expecting a pretty whippy and choppy open. They brought it in from like 25 down to 15. I think it's going to whip. It's going to chop on either side of 18. I do expect a full-on test of the weekly pivot this morning. It needs to be done in the light of day. And then the question really is, as we get through the day, as we get into the close, do we close above or below weekly pivot? If we're closing above, then you start looking at, taking out these 35s and kind of bleeding it to the upside. If the bears can close below, if they can deal with the roundy, then you see down here the 9-day, the 50-day simple. There's things down there that they can get to. Ultimately, though, doesn't make a whole heck of a lot of difference on the downside until you convert all over again the middle Bollinger Band, the 20-day simple found at 43.02, and that's going to take some time, or it's going to take some news, because you've given it up now to the tune of about 135 handles to the up. So yeah, I mean, it's one of these Mondays where you really just got to let it open, but where we close on either side of 4,400 is going to impact the rest of the week. As far as actually trading it goes, I would not overtrade it this morning. We won't be overtrading it in the room. If this 15 to 25, 26 box holds up, you want to see that box converted for anything either to the up or the down that really has the potential to run. There's more potential for the upside to run in kind of a continuation of Friday, because the downside is capped by a lot of areas that have either just been tested, get retested. Like this 50 is a problem for the bears. So don't overtrade. I would not get greedy with your profits today. We'll be following our standard 6 handles, 10 handles. Like we're unless this at least until we get the day made and we can do some more things up or down and just kind of let it work, especially on a Monday, and this type of day, which is very choppy and very whippy off the open. You can really get chewed up in this type of an open with it swinging in both directions. So just be careful with that today. I'll do a closing wrap up tonight. Subscribers, we'll get the subscriber webcast going again this evening, probably around 8 p.m. I will catch all of you in the room here momentarily. Should be a very interesting week. The bulls won the consolidation after, it looked like the bears are going to win the consolidation. Ultimately, the bulls have won it. The question is, can they keep it? All right. Have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to everybody tonight. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.